Welcome back, Wolfpack. We're inside with a 3D printer right now, printing another piece of our puzzle cube. So let's go ahead and check that out, shall we? Here's yesterday's piece. And that's how it goes together with the piece from the day before. This, of course, is being printed on the Easy 3D X1 in Everyone PLA white. It looks like I should have enough to make it through this print. Made sure to orient it so I didn't have to deal with any support material. Let's see if we can clear that off the bed.